Here are the directions for week 3 flexible learning options for history for Team National Parks. So you will find the assignment if you go under courses, social studies. So right at the very top, it says history/social studies flexible learning options. Open that folder. You'll see week 1, week 2, and here is week 3. Right now it's grayed out because I haven't published it to you, but it will be not grayed out for you starting tomorrow. So the assignment, pretty much like last week, I want to go over a few problems we had last week. But before I go over the directions, I just want to let's pretend like we're in the class. So the question you're going to answer is, how did Confucianism, Taoism, and legalism influence political rule in ancient China? So ideally, I would like you to do the preview activity. Let me go back because it's not. Here we go. So the question is, which of the following approaches do you think would be most effective in dealing with school violence, such as fighting and bullying? Write a paragraph at the bottom of this page that explains your answer. So you don't need to do a paragraph, but I would like you in your ISN online, choose which approach, approach 1, approach 2, and approach 3, do you think is best, and just say why in 1 to 2 sentences. So again, please do all of this in TCI online. So basically, each approach to dealing with school violence represents a different way in which Chinese philosophers tried to bring order to their society. So there was Confucianism, Taoism, and legalism, my personal favorite. So approach 1 represents Confucianism, approach 2 represents Taoism, and approach 3 represents legalism. In this activity, you're going to learn about political developments during the Zhou dynasty and the Warring States period. You will also learn about the 3 approaches that 3 Chinese thinkers used to bring peace to this time of disorder. Okay, so I wanted to go over that first. So now let's look at the assignment. So in order to get to TCI, remember you need to go to Schoology Clever TCI. But I think we had a problem last week, and we're still getting familiar with this. Over here, so I believe if you click on assignments, my internet is running slow because my son is playing Fortnite. So right here, I don't know what your screen looks like. I can't see your screen. But what I did assign to all of you is all the parts. So the introduction, etc. And then all the way down here. So I'm looking at the ISN online. I'm seeing that you're answering the questions after each section. But many of you did not do the lesson game. So make sure you do the lesson game after you do all the reading and answer the questions in your ISN. Now it's called Notebook in TCI. It's the same thing, but make sure you do that. Then do the lesson game. Many of you did not do the lesson game, which is fine. We're still trying to get figure this all out. But remember, in order to be invited to the movie pizza party, you need to have everything done, and that includes the lesson game. Now, the assessment, again, I'm just guessing because I can't see your view. You can find it right down here where it says assessments. So you click on that separately from assignments. So you click on assessments, and then yours is going to look different, but you will be taking the 3 Chinese philosophies test again after you do all the work in the online textbook. I hope that makes sense. I can answer any clarification questions during our Zoom meeting on Tuesday. Um, so when you are done with that, and I did put in here chapter 21 lesson game and the chapter 21 test. Remember, it's open note, open book, so you can go back and look at anything you need to. If you want to do additional work, watch CNN 10 every day. My boys have been doing it. It's nice to see Carl. He's at his house, sheltering in place as well. And I have posted recent Newsella articles. All right, so I think that's all you need to know. Again, if you have any questions after you look at this and you still don't know what you need to do, please save your questions for our Zoom meeting on Tuesday at 10 o'clock. And the invite link to that will be in the Team National Parks group, which I believe, yep, I actually did post the invitation in there already. So I'd love to see all of you there. Please make it a priority. All right, my friends, stay inside, stay safe, stay healthy, and hopefully I'll see you in May. Bye.